Hey you guys, welcome back to another episode of Auto Amateur, and in this one of the DIY series, we're going to be talking about and looking at steering wheel notches. This one in particular in today's DIY video has a special story behind it which I can't wait to tell you. Let's go check it out.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
So, steering wheel notches, they are a thing. If you don't know what I'm talking about, it's essentially a little strip of fabric at the 12 o'clock, the top part of your steering wheel, that tells you where your steering wheel is. And essentially, you're driving straight. Not particularly useful if you're just a daily driver on the roads. Very useful if you're on the track. Forget usage. I think they look cool. Now, you can go for the Bobby Basic, which I have, which is essentially just a piece of 3M tape wrapped around the wheel. And from a distance, it looks mint. Up close, it actually looks fine as well. But to the purists who like their perfect Porsches, it's not gonna fly. For when I had my car wrapped, I used a little bit of the wrap, or at least PrintLab Wraps did, and put that wrap around the steering wheel. My friend Mario did it when he had his 911 wrapped. So, you can do it super cheap. Or you can spend a couple of $100 and send it off to an upholsterer or an automotive leather specialist. And they, for a couple of $100, will stitch in a little bit of fabric or leather, and put the notch in for you. I think it's a really nice way to subtly tie in the interior to any other color schemes that you got going on. A lot of people have deviated stitching. A lot of people have black interiors with chalk deviated stitching. I think those steering wheels look great with the chalk matching notch on the top. People who have the yellow calipers and the yellow dials, also the yellow seat belts, put in the yellow notch, which I think looks really good. If you're a super baller and you buy a GT car from the factory, they often come with them standard. I think the GT3s come with either the yellow or the red. Anyway, it's a thing. Just accept that steering wheel notches are a thing. So recently I was contacted by a guy called Richard in the UK. Richard is a photographer, and he's been following Auto Amateur for a while. And I don't know whether it was through my videos or some other videos or some other form of inspiration. He wanted to do the same. Now, his 14-year-old son, Dylan, came up with the design, which is really cool. And Dylan and his dad, Richard, went to a local machinist, a local designer, and had their concept on paper turned into a thing. And here it is. This is a brushed aluminium, or aluminum for my American followers, ring, which is gonna sit flush perfectly on the top of the 12 o'clock notch. And it looks fantastic. Now, they are already available from autoamateur.com. You can buy them for $49.99 plus shipping. There are only a limited number available, super easy to install. I'll show you in a minute as we put it in mine. But if you buy it, not only is your steering wheel gonna look completely dope, you're gonna be making a 14-year-old boy in England very, very happy, and probably elevate him to the coolest kid in his school status. So do it for the kids, okay? Watch this video, go to autoamateur.com, tickle, 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 buy this, make Dylan happy. All right, enough of the pitch, let's go install it. just a short video today. It was pretty easy, right? And I really like the results. So if you want to make a 14-year-old boy super happy and elevate him to being the coolest kid in his class, go to autoamateur.com, check out accessories, and you can buy them for $49.99 plus shipping. And they are fulfilled directly by Richard and Alex. You'll be getting a little package from England with your beautiful brushed aluminum steering wheel notch. So enjoy. I'm going to be very happy driving around with mine. Now, for the DIY series of Auto Amateur videos for the next few weeks and months, I've got quite a few things here that have been stacking up over the holidays that I need to do. Little things like little bits of trim. This goes behind the side sill before you get to the rear wheel. This broke recently, so I've got that to install. I have air filters to install, and I have the wireless adapter for wired Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So if you have a car, Porsche, Audi, Mercedes, actually works pretty much with any brand, and you have wired CarPlay or Android Auto from the factory, this basically plugs into a USB port and turns your system wireless. Super simple, plug and play, couple of $100, actually also available from the Auto Amateur website with a discount and free shipping. What else have I got? Oh, this. The other day I tried to clean my windscreen as I was parked at the lights. I kept on flushing. The windscreen wipers were moving. No water was coming onto my windscreen. At first I thought I'd run out of water. Then I realized that the water was being projected out to the car next to me and giving that lady a good soak. So the hose is broken, so I need to fix this. And then brake caliper paint. Now, this does come in all sorts of colors. I am going for boring high gloss black, but I think that will look really good alongside the car, the way it's set up. Details for where I bought this stuff, about $60, I think, plus shipping. I'll put below. But you get the paint, you get little tools and a brush to apply it on, you get cleaner, and you got like a little spray converter if you want to spray instead of painting. But apparently it's supposed to look really cool. So can't wait to try this out. So that's it for another video. One last thing to mention. The first ever Porsche Chat Live, sponsored by Auto Amateur, featuring Total 911, Andy from The Last Rasp, and Jay Reed. The four of us, myself, Lee Sibley, Andy, and Jay, we're going to be doing a video chat in the next couple of weeks. You can see my Instagram, auto.amateur, for more details. It'll be on Facebook and it'll be here on YouTube again. But we're getting together for an hour or so live on YouTube. Four of us video chatting, talking about all things Porsche. There should be some great banter, should be a lot of fun. So keep your eye open for that. I think it's Feb 20th. That's it. I'm out. Another video. More content coming soon. Take care. Hope you're staying safe and healthy. Bye.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.